Hello, welcome back to my channel. Do you want to learn Chinese fast, tough, and accurate? And this video is for you. Alright, I usually go over with homework from last video in the beginning, okay? And this is our 13. I'm gonna use one hand, okay? 13句话，话 we call the sentence, okay? And this is our 成语 from last video. Alright, 手 手 is keep. 口 I draw a little picture, it's our mouth, okay? 如 is like. 喝音平 is a bottle. How to keep my mouth like bottle, okay? But is really saying that I will keep the secret. I'm not gonna tell anybody else. That's what this meaning. And then from today, I will make a sentence from this 成语. You can use this in your life, okay? It's fun. Okay, I made a sentence from this 成语, okay? I'm gonna lead you, okay? 我 is I. 一的音定，守口如瓶, okay? 我 is I. 一定 means I must, I will, something like that. 我一定守口如瓶. Okay, this is the sentence I made from this 成语. Alright, let's go over with our sentence, okay? 喝欧后 了 I 来 后来 is after. 一欧又 is again. 了一离 可 I 开离开 is left. Nazareth. 乌昂往 is to. 卡本南其余去 is go. 基优就 is then. 知乌住 is live. 那阿那了一里那里 is there. 那阿那 is that. 这一地方地方 is place. 可凹靠和挨海靠海 is near. 海 is sea. But I made like a friend, okay? Phrases. 自哀在 is in. Nabalon 和 is and. Naphtali 的 is off. 多一安边基耶界边界 is a border. 是昂上 is on or up. 后来又离开 Nazareth 往 Capernaum 去就住那里那地方靠海在 Nabalon 和 Naphtali 的边界上. We're going to start our new lessons now. Okay, we have this is two sentences in the Bible. I use Bible to teach, and they have a two sentences, but this is very short. You guys too smart to learn just little word for 1 week, right? So I combine two sentences together. 14跟15 14和15和 is and, okay? So 14 15 14和15 okay? 15 okay? 14和15句话 and we have a new 成语 for today. 乐意昂两七殷勤夕阳相约两情相悦. I know this word must be hard for you guys because my name my first name is Yue, but different word from this word, and people cannot call me, they call me you. So that's why I got Sophia for just American. Alright, and I will give you two clues from this 成语. This word 两 is 二 actually, but in here I read like this, the same thing is 二, okay? 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5, okay, same thing. This is 二 and this is 2, okay, 二. So 两情相悦悦 is happy. So you guys, you find out these two words, what their means. Okay, I'm going to show you how to write our 成语. Okay, 成语两情相悦两情两 is 二相悦 悦 is happy. Like it, something like that. Okay, now we're going to study our new sentence. 这是这是一凹要应应一安燕应验鸡安先知先知 Isaias 的和我阿话是我说 Nabulun Naphtali 基优就是一安言和哀海的沿海的勒乌路 Jordan 乌埃外波昂邦日恩人外邦人的 Galilee. The reason I write this the English here is because they are names or places. Because Chinese, they change the word in Chinese, very complicated. I don't want to give you extra pressure because you want to learn the language, not the names, okay? And when you do homework, don't write this word because you know the word, okay? Better than me, okay? 这是要应验先知以赛亚的话，说 Nabulun Naphtali 就是沿海的路 ，Jordan 外邦人的 Galilee. Okay, I am going to show you how to write this Chinese. Alright, you can follow me. 这是要应验先知Look, Isaias 的话说 is speak, right? We have been learning so many times. Nabulun Naphtali 就是沿海的沿海 Here, I want to give you some clue. See, there's three strokes. Okay, usually they represent water. So this one we learned from the homework. It's a 海 is a ocean, it's a sea, right? So it has water. So this part is represent water. When every word they have something like this, they must relate it to water. Okay, the路 Jordan 外邦人外邦人的 Galilee homework 家庭作业is super important. Long time ago, I went to a college to study ESL, in English, I mean second language, I found the way is very, very powerful strategy to learn a new language. And this is the way I adapt from the college. Okay, I have like reading, listening, speaking, and writing. Okay, when they all combine together, I promise you, you get this language. I have successful stories. Okay, download a translator. It will help you learn faster. Translate each single word. But if I'm on the line, you just find them as phrases. Okay, so it help you learning even faster. Write 2 times. You can write more, but I mean most people they won't speak, right? Okay, so you write 2 times and read 15 times. If you have more time, you can practice more. The more you do it, it's better for you. Watch an hour of Chinese TV series every day. Okay, I have a one here. Actually, there are more, but I choose this one is because they're fun, entertainment. You don't feel so boring. And the beautiful actors, okay, in this video, okay? It's called 还珠格格. You just type HZGG and you will find this video. And they have 3 parts. Find the first part and you watch when you finish, and then you can watch the second part. And in this video, I have to tell you, they maintain a lot of Chengyu. It's very good for you, very good for you. And I'm here very, very serious to teach you to learn Chinese. And if you are serious, and this is a very good video for you, trust me. Okay, give me thumbs up if you like it, share, and subscribe so you don't miss my new videos. All right, I will see you next Friday.